Meaning of hardiness.
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 Hardiness. Hardiness refers to a person's ability to adapt effectively to stressful situations and maintain their physical and mental well-being in the face of adversity. It encompasses three key components: challenge, control, and commitment. People who are high in hardiness tend to see challenges as opportunities for growth, believe they have control over their outcomes, and remain committed to their goals even in difficult circumstances. Research has shown that individuals with higher levels of hardiness report lower levels of stress, anxiety, and depression, and are better equipped to cope with life's challenges.